On Sunday morning, I made pepper soup for my family and they couldn't get enough of it. It's not just them, even me, I started craving it because that pepper soup was so delicious. I thought of what to make for dinner. I was clueless. Then I told them to choose either egusi soup or pepper soup. We voted and majority carried the vote. Even me, I opted for pepper soup. Who no like better thing? There's chicken, there's yam. The reason we added yam is because we need this food to go round as much as possible. I need this food to be very filling because I don't want anyone to tell me that they are still hungry. And here, our food is ready. If you watched up to this moment, please like, comment and share. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.